What's going on, fellow degenerates? It's your boy Shandog, coming to you from the Waddy BP. Yeah, it's a weird joint, I'm telling ya. Interesting video today. I'm on my way out to a place called Bourke in New South Wales to jump on the microphone and MC at pretty much a freestyle motocross show. It's like a stunt show with dirt bikes. Should be pretty sick. We've been driving since 5 AM. It's like 11 now. We've still got about 6 hours to go. So that'll tell you about how far away this joint is. But it should be heaps of fun anyway. I'm with Frosty at the moment. We're catching up with Jai and Flyboy as well. It's gonna be a really sick weekend. Making good time. We're only about an hour and a half out now from Bourke. Fuck, it better not be a
beautiful country town.
It's gonna be a
beautiful country town.
Alright, we've made it to Bourke. It's pretty much exactly 1,000 kilometers north of Melbourne. Quite a humble establishment, isn't it? As always in these country joints, you got a little information booklet. Oh, New South Wales Police Force. Dear guest, as part of the local crime prevention team, it is my role to work with you to develop strategies that will deter criminal activity, such as burglary. It is likely that you or someone you know may have been a victim burglary or theft. Every single door here on this motel has like a warning about locking your car up and taking valuables out of it. This is the room anyway. Look at the beds. Absolutely nothing special. Crazy stuff. It's kind of like a kitchenette. Main thing is it's got a shower and a shitter. You know, somewhere to sleep. Somewhere to goon on the couch there. Check this out. If you type send it. Now I've just gone guest on this motel television in the middle of New South Wales, somewhere I've never been. I just typed send it and I'm the second fucking suggestion. How cool is that? That's sick. That's actually so cool. Got to put on the good stuff. You know what I mean? Got to put on the good stuff.
In 2009, BMW released the S1000.
Who's that handsome cunt? Alright, it's the morning of the show now. The French guy's playing music. French music. He loves it. That's how he's going to dance at the show. He's not actually riding, he's a dancer. We've started loading up the truck. What's wrong? Tell us what happened. Tell us what happened.
What happened? Yesterday, sorry for my English, but yesterday I smoked there and I put my cigarette and my letter on the table with my Red Bull, and my Red Bull is full. I just drink one time and it's all. This morning I wake up, my Red Bull is empty, no cigarette, no lighter. What's happened, bro? Your country is so strange.
Oh, the window's looking a little bit frosty, isn't it? This is the stunt bike that Frosty's using. It's a bit dark in here, but it's an FC 450.
23 model.
23 model. Pretty cool. You see plenty of shots. It's actually got a handbrake on it, which is pretty cool. So, it's going to feel right. I mean, fuck. So Frosty's going to feel right at home, and he can actually ride the thing, because he doesn't actually know how to use foot brake anymore.
Oh, fuck, hold on to it.
Bourke Bakery. Fucking oath. Alright, we've got the Bourke Bakery steak and mushroom pie. It's pretty shit. We made it to Dust Spot. We got some pretty vague instructions on where to go from the girl at the gate. So there's a lot of horse people here, And if you're a motorcyclist and you're watching this, you probably know that horse people and motorcycle people don't always get along.
Fuck horse people.
We just want to work out where you're going to set up. Is it easy to move once you're set up or not?
No, not really.
So you better,
once we're set up, we're pretty much here until.
Because we've got running races, and we normally do them 100 metres down to the finish track. But we're going to put you down there where the running races go. So it doesn't matter. We're going to start the running races here and finish that way.
Yeah, okay,
You know what I mean? So we just want to sort out where you're going to be.
No, there'll be plenty of room.
I'll mark it. I just wanted to see if you could move or not, but if you can't move, it's all good.
No, well, what we'll do is we'll have plenty of room for you guys.
Yeah. No, we'll sort it out all good.
Yeah.
I just thought if you could move.
Yeah.
If you can't, that's fine. But
Yeah, we only need a short amount of distance anyway, so it's not like we need hundreds of
You
meters.
do somersaults in the air today?
Maybe.
Yeah. The kids are going to go mad.
Yeah, I'm hoping they're going to have like 10,000 people.
10,000 people.
Well, in Mossvale, which is like just south of Sydney, we had about 6,000.
So I've come to the realisation that Frosty likes fudging numbers. Big time. Big time. Big time number fudger, this guy. He's also a fudge backer.
Come on, mate. Pull. Pull, mate. Yeah. Come on, mate. Down. I'm down. I'm down. Hey, calm down, Gypsy. Like me.
So Liam built this truck himself. It's like it unfolds into a stunt ramp, which is pretty sick.
Oh my god, I've got to let these fuckers.
Pretty sick. This is the rig. Got some bikes. This is Flyboys KTM. I think it's a 450. Mad Style Moto FC 450. This is the one that Frosty's going to be riding. There's also a Stark right here as well. Should be sick. Fucking hell.
Perfect.
Perfect. I don't know about that one. Alright, the boys are just doing a practice run. At the moment they're getting their practice in. Already pissed the horse people off, which we kind of expected. But they've been kind enough to pack it up until 10 o'clock so we can get the practice done. And then they know the show's at 11:30, so should be pretty good. Flyboy stacked it straight away. His bike's fine, he's alright.
Yeah.
His McDonald's shirt's still okay.
Yeah, bro. Just
That's the main thing, we don't want the McDonald's shirt to rip. What is going on, Burke? Now, Frosty is learning how to do stoppies. So, we're gonna get him to do a stoppie today in front of all you guys for the first time. He's very new to it, but he's got a very special device on the front of his bike here. His front brake only works if the audience is yelling. All right, so when he lines up and gets ready to do a stoppie, as he comes in, I need all you guys to lose it. Here he comes. Oh! 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 Alright, first show went alright. Pretty good. Worked out some kinks.
oh, boys.
Bro, I do nothing.
I landed the front foot
I'm
twice,
fucking
that's it.
shit, his mom.
Nah, dude. Nah, it's all about fun. Who cares? It doesn't matter.
I hate the landing.
I'm gonna go find some food, have a look around this fucking, have a look at this festival because we've got, how long? We've got 5 hours until the next show. So, should be pretty good. There's like an abandoned motocross track over there, which we're not allowed to ride on in between the show because the horses will get upset. What do you think of the horses? Do you like the horses?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a great spot to wear white socks.
It can grow very big, but it doesn't happen overnight. It takes them a long time to get real big.
Bro, look at the balls. Heavy balls.
No. No. Not a chance. Not even a little bit.
Just ridden a bit further up the back of the racetrack. Gonna get some clips of Jai on the Stark. He wants some stoppy videos.
Really, or stopping?
Up to you, bro. Whatever you want. We got time.
What? We don't have any time.
We still got like fucking 4.5 hours, bro, until the next show. Alright, we've sat around and done pretty much fuck all for like 5.5 hours. But it is almost showtime for the evening show. Unfortunately, the sun is going to be down by the time we actually start the show. So I don't know how well that little, I've got an Insta360 Go that I've borrowed off my mate Lewis. I don't know how well that's going to do at night time, because there are lights here on these big poles here. But the thing is, I'm not 100% sure how bright this area is going to be. So hopefully there's enough illumination.
And there's a fire rock like this. Gang shit. A lot of fucking gang shit.
I don't know why you're fucking doing anything. Frosty, I'm gonna have to fucking blur your face out anyway, you dumb cunt.
Do you want my bucket?
Bucket.
Moto coming through first. He's doing a wheel and he seeks down a Flamingo. Bikes come past, make sure you give him a high five. Here comes Frosty. Oh, look at that. Oh, here you go.
Alright, that was a pretty good stunt show, I reckon. The boys had a good time, I had a good time, the crowd had a good time. These country people, they love it, the country tents, because they all ride dirt bikes as well. How did it go?
Oui, baguette.
Oui, baguette.
Bonjour.
How'd you go, Jai? Good show?
Good show. Look, all in all, right at the end she's a bit dusty, but that's what I want to be tomorrow. So let's make our way to the pub.
Dude, that's all I got. All good.
That's good. It's fine. I'll eat some. So, show's all done. Packing up now. Almost unpacked up. Got everything loaded up. Alright, so we're piled into Frosty's van. We're all going to the pub.
Dude,
I don't know if you can see, the boys are in there somewhere.
Hello. It's not the first time I've had 4 boys in the back of the van.
It's not the first time you've had 4 boys in your backside. What? Did you lock it?
Thank you!
So we come to country New South Wales and got Chinese food for dinner. Right, it's like it's like 6:30 in the morning. My voice is fucking gone, bro. We're gonna head off, leave the lovely town of Burke, as much as we'd wish we could stay longer. And we're gonna stop on the side of the road, film some clips on the way down. We're also gonna go get a fucking Guinness pie in Finley. Alright, so we've stopped on the side of the highway, middle of fucking nowhere, literally. Check it out. Sun's coming up through the trees. Frossy's gonna get some gear on, he's gonna get the bike started, and he's gonna rip up some red dirt. And I'm gonna film it all on my iPhone and hopefully come up with a cool edit.
There's a point, 7,000 RPM, where everything fades. The machine becomes weightless, just disappears. And all that's left is a body moving through space and time.
That was fucking hectic. If you ever get the opportunity to come film dirt bikes or just ride dirt bikes in the middle of Central Australia with no one around, whew, do it. So good. The last thing we got to do before we get back to Melbourne is have a Guinness and mushroom pie. On the way back, cows all over the road again. Different spot, but.
What the flying fuck are you doing,
Bro, they're just gonna keep Moo! Moo! Move back, you bitch. Why they get cleaned up? Because, like, imagine it's the middle of the night and you're in a truck.
Brother, move.
Middle of the night, you're in a fucking truck. These cunts are all black. So you can't see them, and then, oh my God, it's having sex. There's one under the tree over there mounting another one. We made it to Finley. Bakery is definitely shut, to Frosty's dismay. We're going to the pub. All right, well, kitchen's closed at the pub, so we're going to try and find something else to eat. But I hope you enjoyed the video. That's going to go ahead and conclude what we got up to on the weekend. I hope you had a good time watching it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.